Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Learning. If you're a first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos from Fusion Next Learning. In today's demo, we are going to cover how to create RMA order approval in Oracle Fusion. If there is a business need, how to achieve that. To achieve it, you have to first log in. Once you log in inside the system, you have to have the approval groups. To create the approval group, you have to go to the setup and maintenance. So we'll go to the setup and maintenance and we'll create approval group. So to create the approval group, you have to click on task list, click on search. Under search, you have to type manage approval percent group. Once you search, it will prompt the task. You have to click on task. It will redirect you to the BPM work list UI, where you can set it up your approval group based on your business requirement. To create new approval group, you have to click on edit. You have to set the name of your approval group. So I'm setting up RMA approval test. Once you set it up, you have to click on save. After that, you have to add the member to that approval group. You can search with the user, or you can attach to your existing approval group to the new approval group. That also you can do that. Now we'll search the user. To search the user, you have to click on search. Once you click on search, it will prompt to search based on the user. So you have to type it Fusion Next Gen. Once you type it, you have to click on search. If you want, you can search based on the advanced search, first name, last name, email ID, or ID. So based on your need, you can do that. We search it. We'll wait till system prompt as the username. If you remember, you can attach to it. Now you can say that register to it. So let me search with the IDs. Yes. So I am having fusion.nextgen learning. So I selected the member. After selecting the member, you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see that system has selected the respective member. Now you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see that I have added my user account under the RMA approval test group. If you want more member to be added as a hierarchical approval, you can achieve it. You have to select it, the same member, and now you have to click on plus icon. You have to type. Let me type it and show you how you can add it. Next gen, and we'll search learning. Once you click on OK, let me search it new member and we'll try. Yeah. So you can see how the hierarchical member you can add to the existing group. You can do that. Now, if you want to remove, you just select that member and click on delete. Once you delete it, you have to save it. So this is how you can create the approval group. After creation of the approval group, you have to go to the again setup and maintenance task and search the task name called manage percent order approval. Once you click, it will prompt you the task manage order approval rules. Once you click on task, you have to create the new rule for the RMA order approval. So we'll wait task to respond. Now the manage order approval rules UI is open. Now you create your new rule based on your business requirement. So to create RMA order approval, you have to click on create new rule. Once you click, you have to set it up your rule name. Let me set it up RMA test. Once you click OK, system set the rule name. You can enter your description for your rule identification purpose for your business need. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can have the most of the attributes are available and supported within Fusion application. Based on your business requirement, you can add all those attributes and based on that, you can trigger your approval. So we'll add order type. If you don't have the order type, you can set it up based on customer name, based on other attributes, based on your requirement. Now I will set it up. So if my order type is bill only, if my order type is bill only, I will set it up and define the rule. So my order type is bill only, and if my line type, because it has to be, this approval has to be prompt based on my line type for the RMA order only. So you can set your category. If you want, you can set it up category as well as you have the line type. So I have chooses the order line category is equal to, if order, then it will follow the approval. So for the RMA, I have to select the return goods. I selected the return goods and click on OK. So if these both condition will met, then system do. So what system will do? So system do and send this for the approval. So system to perform the action. So you can set that if you want auto approve, auto reject, assign to group. So I'm setting up it has to assign to the group. And yes, so I selected the RMA approval test group. Click on OK. Now, one more thing, if you want amount based RMA order approval, for that you can add another attribute called order total amount. So you can set it up. So order total amount. Now you have to set the in between condition, and based on that you can enter your values. So first value is your higher value in the negative if it's RMA. If it's sales order, your customer order, not the RMA order, you have to enter over here the lower value and the high value. So in between, if there is a need in your business requirement that you want amount based approval to go certain approval group hierarchy, you can achieve it as well. So let's assume I set it up that if my amount is 1000 till minus 100. So if my order total will go between the minus 100 as well as the minus 1000, it will go to the group. So you have to click on OK. So this is how, if there is a requirement in your business, the amount based approval, you can achieve it within Fusion system. After that, you have to save and close. Once you click on save and close, after that, you have to activate your rule. So there are lot of categories are available, attributes are available. Based on your business requirement, you can achieve approval in Fusion system. After activating your rules, you have to publish it. Once you publish, then the respective rule is available for use. So this is how you can achieve it in Fusion system, your business requirement. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.